How to hide Facebook profiles from search engines. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily hide your Facebook profile from search engines. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Facebook app and just make sure that you are logged in. The next thing you can do is head over to the menu section at the top right, and then you'll find the gear icon right beside the search. So tap on the gear icon to go to settings. Once your settings is open, all you have to do is scroll down until you find your privacy settings. So scroll down on audience and visibility, and right below that here you have an option how people can find and contact you. Tap on it, and once you do that, here you'll find the option called do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile. Just go ahead and toggle this off. So when this settings is off, search engine will stop linking your profile, but this may take some time. Your profile can still be found on Facebook if people search for your name. So just make sure that this toggle is turned off. And once that is done, your profile will now be hidden from the search engines. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.